Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create beauty videos, a little bit of fashion, as well as lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you too can become a socialite. So today's gonna be another haul. I told y'all, I warned y'all. The semi-annual sale at Bath & Body Works has come. So I went on the first day, which was June 2nd, June 3rd. Something like that. Got mostly candles, which if you watch me often, I'm more into their 3-wick candles, even though I do like some of their body cares really good. So yeah, we're gonna do a haul. I'm gonna show you the items that I picked up during the semi-annual sale. So I am gonna start off with the smallest bag, show you guys what I got. So first thing is Sunbloom Fine Fragrance Mist. Okay, the fragrance notes of this mist is white raspberry, pink petals, and vanilla cream. It's just a beautiful, let's see. Oh my goodness. It's almost a little bit cologne-y. You do get the raspberry in there, and then it smells creamy, like a vanilla, creamy vanilla. It's a yummy fragrance, but to me it has a slight masculine or like a slight cologne-y touch to it. But it's beautiful. So I did pick up the fragrance mist. I also picked up the Sunbloom's Ultimate Hydration Body Cream. I really love these body creams, you guys. They're so moisturizing, hydrating. I've heard some people say they don't feel like these are really hydrating, but to me, they are the most hydrating body creams at Bath & Body Works. Yeah, so these are definitely gonna be gifts. I tend to, if I get a spray or a lotion, I always wanna get the matching spray or lotion because these are 9 times out of 10 gonna be gifts for somebody. I like to stock up during the sale. And by the way, all of the body care that I got, the mist, the lotions, the scrubs were all $3.95. I ended up catching that deal, so I got the best deal, which is even better than a winter sale because the winter sale, I think everything was $5. So to pay $3.95 was the best deal. I also picked up the Bahamas Passion Fruit and Banana Flower Fine Fragrance Mist. This one's really nice too. This is actually my daughter's favorite. It gives very much banana, fruit, sweet, floral. It's really nice, but it has a warm touch to it as well. So I picked up the Fine Fragrance Mist. I also got the Bahamas, the matching Bahamas Passion Fruit and Banana Flower, the lightweight spray. This is a body moisturizer. I've never purchased one of these before, you guys. So it comes in an aerosol can and it's supposed to be like a moisturizer type situation. And then I got the other matching Bahamas Passion Fruit and Banana Flower Exfoliating Beach Body Scrubs. And I really like their body scrubs that comes in this package right here. They're actually really good. So yeah, I got these 3 to match. So I picked up a cologne mist as well. My nephew just graduated from high school and he's going to college. So I thought that we should put him a nice care basket, like a big basket with a lot of goodies in there for him to take to college with him. So I got the Citrus and Cedar Cologne Mist. So the fragrance notes of this is, it says it's a crisp, woodsy fragrance inspired by sun-ripened citrus and cedar wood. Y'all, this smells so yummy. It's nothing too overpowering about it, which is what I really loved. So there's a cologne touch to this. It's a little bright from the citrus in there, and then it has that sweet woodsy, you know, cedar has that sweet wood, so it's not like a strong harsh wood. It's sweet with the bright from the citrus. This is beautiful actually, and I think it's age appropriate for an 18-year-old. I can see a grown man all the way up to his any age, 50s, 60s wearing this, and it doesn't smell cheap at all either. That's what I really liked about it. And then I got the matching citrus and cedar body cream for him as well. So I did pick him up another cologne mist, which is the Mahogany and Coconut, you guys. This one's really good. I actually have the Mahogany and Coconut candles, the 3-wick candles. I buy them sometimes. So it does have a soft woodsy smell from the mahogany, and the coconut makes it sweet and even softer. You would think that this is a strong masculine smell. Although it's masculine, it's on the softer spectrum, which I think he's gonna really appreciate. So I got the cologne mist, and I also got the matching body cream as well. Then I looked up and found my favorite, you guys. They only had a couple of these left and they had it on no other store. It was no longer on the website, and so this is the Bath & Body Works Midnight Amber Glow Fine Fragrance Mist. It's the small one. This is all they had. And then I picked up 2 of the Midnight Amber Glow body creams to go with it, which I probably only have like 1 full size left of this for the holiday sale, and it's no longer on the website. They're not really selling it, but I was super excited. It was like 3. You could get the small items 3 for $7, so I thought that wasn't bad either. So now I have just a couple little backups to last me until they either relaunch it, or if not, I'll just have, you know, something to hold me over, because this is my favorite from Bath & Body Works. So that's it from the small bag. And so let's go into the big bag, which is the candles. So from the aromatherapy line, I did get the Stress Relief Eucalyptus and Spearmint candle. So the fragrance notes of this one is fresh spearmint, clary sage, eucalyptus leaf with natural essential oils, which just smells very clean, very soapy. It gives spa, something you want to put in your bathroom. I do have a couple of these already, which I really enjoy. So that day they had all of the big 3-wick candles. You guys, the normal price is $26.50. They were $10.95 that day. And also, I've been telling you guys about the app. I tell y'all over and over. So in the app, I had a 20% off coupon in the app. So $10.95, 20% off of my entire purchase. So I ended up paying like $9 and something for the candles. Another stress relief, this is the same exact one. Iced pound cake, you guys. This one is a beauty. The fragrance notes of this is sugary glazed icing, pure lemon zest, fluffy pound cake, and whipped cream. When I tell you it gives that, when you open it up, you just smell a beautiful, yummy lemon pound cake. Like, if you like this, somebody's probably gonna come into your house and think that there's cake in the oven. So it smells really loud. So this is probably one of those that's gonna smell up your entire house, upstairs, downstairs if you have it. It smells super beast mode. So I'm probably gonna burn this tomorrow just to see how powerful it is. But I was super excited about this. Normally, probably like I would say about a year ago, I used to always tell y'all I don't like candles or home fragrance that smells like anything like food or baked goods. I was always into either that clean smell or either more of a fragrance type smell, more of an upscale smell. But about a year ago, or maybe less than a year ago, I started getting a little bit into the, you know, the lemon pound cakes, the, you know, strawberry and the cinnamon type, you know, and I'm finding an appreciation for it. So never say never. This one's beautiful. Comment down below if you got this one already. Ebony Sands. So this is another one that I do have. The fragrance notes of this is ebony wood, tobacco petals, and warm tonka. I'm very much a tonka lover. Almost everything that I've smelled with tonka has been a yes for me. This one, it's not even masculine. It's soft, it's clean, it's a little sweet, it gives upscale. This is beautiful, excited to burn it, because the other ones I hadn't burned yet, so it's more so like a backup. Cinnamon Spiced Vanilla. This is one that I've spoken about a few times before. It was actually on one of my monthly favorites. The fragrance notes of this one is fresh ground cinnamon, sugar crystals, and Tahitian vanilla bean. Smells like that. Smells like a cinnamon vanilla bean cake or something like that. It's beautiful. This is another powerhouse. If you like this in your house, it's going to smell up every room, upstairs and downstairs. Very much beast mode. All you need is just one. Light it anywhere, your whole entire house will be lit up, and it is beautiful. I really enjoy this one. Another iced lemon pound cake. Into the second crate. Vanilla and peach tea. Now I spoke about this, I want to say in a video last week. This is what I'm currently burning in my studio where I do my beauty videos. I always have a candle burning behind me, and this one's currently burning. The fragrant notes is peach tea, sweet lemon creme, and fresh oat milk. It smells like, very much like sweet tea. peach sweet tea. It gives peach sweet tea. How it sounds is how it smells, and I enjoy it. This is one of those $30 candles. I think because of the packaging, that beautiful gold aesthetic, it's $30, but they even had these on sale for $10.95. Of course, I got my 20% off of it as well. Such a steal. Another peach tea. Another of the cinnamon spice vanilla. Now this one is Palo Santo and vanilla. So my absolute favorite 3-wick candle from Bath & Body Works is Palo Santo. I've talked about it in several videos. It's the most beautiful, fragrant candle. The fragrance notes of it is Palo Santo, woody musk, and tonka bean. Y'all know how I feel about tonka. So this one's a little different because it has the added woody musk in there, which makes it a little bit stronger, but not a whole lot. You definitely get the Palo Santo in there and the creaminess of the tonka bean. Y'all, this is a really nice candle. I would say it's a tad stronger than the regular Palo Santo, but equally as mellow, equally as beautiful, and I can't wait to burn this. I'll have to update you guys on how I like these candles, but it gives the same vibe as the regular Palo Santo, and I think that the packaging is cute as well. Then I got some more of the regular Palo Santo. The fragrance notes are Palo Santo wood, warm amber, and soft musk. So yeah, this one brings in more of the Palo Santo, and it's not as, it doesn't have as much creaminess as the Palo Santo and vanilla does. And the last candle is another Palo Santo. Because we were shopping for the body care and the candles, I did have my 11-year-old with me who has super sensitive skin. But she wants some fragrant lotions as well, right? And so she can't wear the ones out of Bath & Body Works, even though she wears the fragrance mist. She can't really wear the body lotions, scented body lotions, because she has very sensitive skin. So they have an Ulta next door. Let me show you what we got from there. So all of the savings that I got from this sale, I just took that and put it into Ulta. So from Ulta, I got the Truly, this is the brand Truly Unicorn Fruit Whipped Body Polish. So the Truly brand is vegan, clean, high performing, animal cruelty free products. So my daughter's very sensitive. Her skin is sensitive. Even with deodorant, she's very sensitive. So a couple months ago, we got introduced to Truly. We were walking around Ulta and we saw this Truly brand, and we were like, okay, this may not break you out because, you know, it's vegan. And so what she ended up trying out was the Truly Unicorn Fruit brightening, smoothing, aluminum free deodorant. You guys, let me take the top off. Smells so yummy. It smells fruity but vanilla at the same time, so I guess that's why it's unicorn fruit. That unicorn fruit is probably like just a creamy vanilla touch to it. Beautiful scent. So we got this for her just to test it out and see what it did. Didn't break her out at all, and she loved it so much. So when we left out of the Bath & Body Works sale, we went over there to get another one, and then we're like, okay, you know, she really wanted a scented lotion. So we thought, why not check out the body cream and see if that works for her as well, since the deodorant didn't break her out. But look, it's colorful, like unicorn colors. It's the cutest little thing. Let me take a little bit. Smells similar to the deodorant, but not all the way the same. Wow, it's a high oil content in here because it leaves the skin super shiny. It's very, very thick and super moisturizing. It leaves a high shine to the skin. So this is something I may like for myself. But yeah, so she picked that out. This stuff is expensive. This stuff is kind of pricey, but being that, you know, it doesn't break her out, well, at least the deodorant does it, it's worth it. So she gets to have like a girly smelling, you know, body cream and deodorant as well, like her mom does. So I feel like it's worth it, you know. So we'll see how it works for her, and I'll keep you posted, especially for those who suffer from sensitive skin or eczema like she does, or maybe if you have little girls that suffer from it, you know. I also got the Electric Glow color changing lipstick from Essence. So she also wanted a lip gloss or like a clear lip balm, but something that looked like a lipstick. So we went all around Ulta trying to find something that looked like an actual lipstick, but that was pretty much on the clear side. So we found this. She tested it on her hand as far as the color and really liked it. And it's just like a clear, hopefully you guys can see this. It's like a clear pinky type situation. It goes on clear, but it's color changing. So on her, it sort of turns like a pinkish shade on her, just like a light, pretty pink. So I thought it was very much age appropriate. And then Juvia's Place, I think they have new lip liners because it was on the outer display. They had 3 shades, and you guys, I picked up Coffee Bean. I thought this was gonna be a medium tone brown. They didn't have any testers. So this was the middle color. I thought it was gonna be like a lighter or like a medium tone brown. You guys, this is super dark. It's a really, really dark, cool tone brown, even darker than Molasses from Sephora collection. Really, really dark. So it's not what I thought it was, but you know, now y'all know that Coffee Bean is super, super, super dark. One thing from Sephora, you guys. So I went to Sephora and picked up one thing, which is a YSL lipstick. This is the Rouge Shine Oil and Stick. And I picked up the color Nude 44. Absolutely stunning packaging. The packaging is so beautiful with the YSL inlaid through the middle of it, and you can see the pink nude color through it. This packaging is beautiful, and it's what I'm wearing today, which is just a very much light pink nudie shade. Looks like this. So that's it for this haul, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, did you take advantage of the sale? Were you able to pick up some of the body products for $3.95? Because I think the next day it went up to like $4 something, almost $5. And the candles kind of went up as well to I think like $12 or $13 or something like that. So if you got anything from the sale, comment down below. Let me know what you got and if you think I should try something. Every single thing that I showed you today will be linked down below in the description box. So be sure to check that out. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Did he cut his hair?
No. That's a lie.
Then he said no.
Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. Cause too fresh with the scars.